Sometimes it's hard to see the white lines on the street at night, but how do you miss a motorcycle's headlight coming right at you? When you're on a motorcycle, this would have to be one of the scariest things to see coming towards you in your lane. Now the rider was going a little too fast and didn't realize there was a junction right around the curve.
Yeah, I'm okay.
This is one of those things that you never expect. One second you're riding having a good time, the next second this happens.
Deze is maar genau met de post, ik heb het gevangen.
Now we've all experienced long waits at the gas station. This biker finally saw an opening, took it, and this lady was not happy about it.
We're waiting over there. We got a whole line of cars waiting over there too.
I'm right here. Just because you're faster doesn't mean you get to come in front.
Hey.
Because I already engaged in here. I'm here.
Me too. I'm sitting there waiting for one to open up. This one was for this one. He decided to move up, so that's why I moved in.
So he took my space.
Well, I'm not taking your space. You should him, not me.
I'm not with you, but I'm right in the middle. I'm already
It's
there.
just a scooter. I got 5 gallons. That's it.
Wasting time. Arguing.
Yeah, I know. Hey.
Watch out, boy! Ooh.
This rider had just heard that one of her buddies had just gone down.
You wrecked?
And that's the last thing you want to hear when you're out riding.
Oh, no.
You can hear the nervousness in her voice, not knowing if he was okay.
Ronnie, are you okay? Oh, no. Are you okay? Yeah, I bet you did. Oh, Ronnie. Ronnie.
All good.
Oh. Bro, you hit this thing hard. Jesus Christ.
But you see me indicator. You weren't indicating me. My indicator was on, boss. My indicator was on. I've got you on camera. Boss, then show me what you saw then. Tell me the boys, my indicator was on. Show me on your camera. Dude, why would you come in my lane like that? ABS. Oh. Oh man, dude. I'm up here. I'm good. Oh man. Are you okay? Are you okay? Yeah, I'm good.
Luckily, everybody was okay, because crashing on the freeway, especially at night, has got to be one of the worst places you can have an accident.
You good, bro? Yeah, okay.
I imagine that this distracted driver was probably on their phone. What do you think?
Somebody just went down. I knew it. I knew it. God damn it. God, and that car just frickin' ran over the bike. And they're gonna keep going. Oh man. Probably drunk. I'm gonna get the license plate off of this. LPD 0283. Look at her in there. Look at her in there. Look at her. Hey man, are you okay? Balance point wheelie?
I pulled it too high, yeah. Got out of control, I lost it.
I got the license plate for that person who hit the car, yeah.
That way we put on insurance.
Yeah, I got hit by the car. It's totally jacked. That thing's totaled, beyond totaled.
Alright guys, I hope you learned a little from some of these clips. Don't ride without your gear. Be safe out there. Watch out for motorcycles. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.